This video is to show you how to reset the lock from inside reset button. First, you need to make sure the lock is power on. Yeah, that means it's power on. And then remove the two screws here. You will see the inside reset button. This one, yes. And then hold the reset button until you hear the beep voice. Like this. And it means you reset the lock successfully. We can check if it reset. Use the keypad, hold the pound key to lock the door first. And then if you reset the lock successfully, you can use the default code 123456 pound to unlock the door. It's successfully.